That dead.
Yes. That is it.
Don't worry yourself. Sharp man tear sheet.
I'm a protecting man.
I'm go bush with them.
I'm a protecting your blood. Wow.
Guys, the dog here protect the herd, you know. Serious of them down there, so. Yeah, man.
Silver one body of blood. Wow. Come here, so Blaine. Come look. Yeah, cause you have to watch. Blaine, come here. You see through house them and something. Turn up right or so me there. Yes, see him there. Yes. That is it. He hitch up in a tree.
Blaine.
Blaine, I get too wicked, you know.
Oh, you know, come from my channel, come go on.
Blaine, I get too wicked, you know.
Who's the master, you know, Blaine? It will not work.
Somebody so nervous, guys. Somebody so nervous right now.
It will not work.
One and only.
Which team we say?
One and only.
team we say?
Team Mickey.
Which team we say?
Guys, stand at the funny hunt we do today, you know.
Guys, this is an example of not to dress. Not to dress.
When coming on a hunt. But she here with me today, guys. We are going to the hunt, as you know. Yeah, man. Ready, out and active. First one down. Team Mickey number 1. All right.
Thank you. I have a drink. Lucas here, I'm hungry.
Guys, we're gonna catch up this morning with something like some tea and all of that already. So we just getting in the mood right now for the bird hunting.
Yeah. Yeah, man, just pour me a shot because you don't know how to go. So, guys, when we reach Panny Hunt, you know, you see what I'm going.
Yes, guys.
Stretch nervous. I'm from New York, come mash him.
You hear that? You hear that, guys?
Yes, sir. That's why you know if you teach them too great, you know. You don't teach them too great, this is the outcome. Alright.
Guys, my rifle not ready yet, you know, guys. This is the new version.
Bolt action, you know my people?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Bolt action rifle, me I deal with that now, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so you load the bullet. Bam.
Lucky.
Yeah, man. Right now there's a bullet inside, guys. Right, so. See it. Yeah, man.
Can't see bullet though.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, my own not ready as yet, so may I use my all one until mine ready.
Yeah. So we are on the hunter now, guys. Slingy and rifle. Guys, mosquito would have killed me. Yeah. Me see you do your thing.
Guys, I'm excited for murder some bird today.
We don't see. We don't. What is what do you done? Guys, we're kind of close to this spot. So right now we have to keep kind of quiet. I think I see him now. I see one part time, I see little part time. I'm going to see if I try to chip him. Watch him, watch him. Down, man. One little part time, I see you know. Are we in there?
I'm drop some of this already.
Oh, you see me? See me? Yeah, one by Blaine, one by me. One more for the pack, you know. Guys, we are looking for the dove them like the white belly them and them kind of bird them, bark plate them. But boy, I don't know where I go on. This is a little spot here. Yeah, there's a whole heap of white belly. I don't know if it's because of the storm, the hurricane we passed through, hurricane burial, I don't know what. Nah, see nothing, guys. I tell you.
But we still alive. We still up on the hunt, guys.
We still a hunt. We all see what we can get.
Guys, I don't know, so you know you have to save the best for last. My turn next.
Guys, me, you know I'm a teacher and I bring a little student them on the little hunt, you know, but them are doing a little thing. What you do with them? What you do with them? Ja. Alright.
Lean up on the tree over there, sir.
Oh God, Bossy Mickey. That dead. I'm gonna see Mickey. Go in, Tana, go in for him. Yo, me shot one woodpecker and he fly around.
What is it, guys? Woodpecker again. Guys, I be a woodpecker we are see. But they still a hunt for big bird them, guys. Like the dove them, white crown pigeon and them others. We just straddle them, guys. Your tongue, sure.
Take a little rest with it.
Guys,
Water in it.
So guys, 3 of them. We have 3 of them so far, guys. We are looking for bigger game them, but we don't see them, but we still are walk and hunt them, because them we really want, guys. We get little refreshment. And big up to the camera lady, you know. One future girl. Tana, you don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Guys, they no comment and tell we if she did a wonderful job.
Yes. Yes. Let us know. Straight. Now move some man. Sure.
No, no.
How going so?
Yeah, come like the hurricane.
Yeah.
Do something to the bird them or something, man.
You know, we are going to feed bird them. But we are going to go to a regular spot, guys. And we are going to see if we see them around there. Because we want to go on a good hunt, you know, guys. We don't want it, you know. No want it. You know, just stay tuned, guys. We have some refreshment and then we chat on.
Yes. Do it again. No, we don't do it, no. I think we
Don't worry yourself. Sharp man tear sheet.
You that blame? Yeah, just push it back.
Soldier crab, guys. Going big. Yeah. Nice fishing bait this. So you fly out there, bombard. So you fly going over there, so there.
You see? What kind of bird?
And in big, you know?
Oh, I'm seeing. My run. I'm gonna have my gun.
You see him? Keep eye on him.
I'm going again.
You see him?
See him in the walk.
Come up here. That's why he can't fly. Guys, you know see this?
Yeah, man. Are they
So guys, we finished the hunting and one thing we not really get
cut
to
up
show
the
no
woodpecker
the
them and thing, you know, my people.
yeah,
so
we
you
not
know
really
it
get to show the cleanup process, but this we get, see there.
Yeah, man. Good old CC jerk seasoning to you know, guys.
And I just woodpecker guys.
Yeah.
We not get the bird them where we want, guys. We not
So
see
it
them.
goes still, you know. We don't know what if I storm do it or what.
Yeah, we not see them. I be a woodpecker we see. But we don't make him come from so far and not get it. Cause he love the woodpecker them too, you know, guys.
Yeah,
Alright.
Finally, you see the big chef in action. You understand? Yeah.
Blade a laugh over you, you know.
If I use the right tools anyway, all the right things.
Yeah.
So you can't-
Alright.
Yeah, you can't go wrong.
Can't go wrong with the Cal's Kitchen and a CC jerk blend.
You can't
Yeah,
go
oh,
wrong.
if you go wrong.
You can't go wrong. bro.
Alright. You hear that, guys? You heard it from the big man himself. I forgive
Guys,
you, praise.
this is the CC jerk blend seasoning, you know. And I Cal's boss over there, sir.
There.
A real original maker for the CC seasoning, guys. Wanna put in on no order? Yeah, man. The link in the description right now, guys. Put in on no order. Get on no CC jerk blend season. Yeah, man. Tastes really, really good, guys. It close to Maggi seasoning. Guys, I don't know how long I don't see one fog like this. Look here. And it a move, you know, if fog a move, guys. You can't see the mountain hide, look there. Blow out. It a move, see it a move, I go over this. So.
Yo, you can't see coconut tree again.
Eh. Blow out. And it a come closer to we, guys. It's obvious. Blow out. The mountain gone. It disappeared. Be a fuck, guys. To take time move, go over there. So look there. You can't see it on the camera and say it a move. Look there. If we are Blaine love it. Guys, if we are Blaine love it rifle. I'll mosquito in my shoes.
Anything move dead.
Look there, guys. It a move and a move fast too, you know.
You know, see a place fag up.
It plays white.
Everything a disappear.
Blow out. Guys, if we tell you how no see it for yourself, believe me.
Once the coconut tree come back now, what?
Yes, it a pass. See the house them a come back out over there so now.
Yeah, if I go so.
Blow out. You ever watch a movie named The Fog? You want to watch it? You watch it, Blaine? Yes, man. Nice movie. See them a pass a go over, so guys. Guys, we did a go do a hunt and cook today, you know, but unfortunately not. It's raining. It's fogging.
Fogging.
Fogging. It's fogging.
So much things.
Fogging.
So guys, right now, we bird them what we really did want today. We not get it. We not get them guys, but I don't say nothing. Next time. You understand? Next time. We are gonna just seize the hunting from we're gonna just seize the hunting for now until another adventure, guys. Yeah man, we did want to do a catch and cook, but we not gonna work out for today, guys. Rain. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the little video, even though I may not get to enjoy much. I hope you enjoy it. Yeah man, until next time guys, peace out.